My advice for aspiring athletes is to say goodbye to dairy, fuel your body with health-promoting, whole food, plant-based foods. My name is Chris Manderino, and I'm a former NFL fullback. One of the highlights of my sports career was walking on to the University of California, Berkeley, and then earning a full scholarship. I then went on to set a school record 52 consecutive starting games, which afforded me the opportunity to then go play at the highest level in the NFL, which was my childhood dream. For me as an athlete, one of the biggest challenges that I had to overcome was my size. So I got thrown into a position that I had never played before in my life, and to be able to earn a scholarship and then play, I had to continually put on weight. And that was a huge challenge because eating became a chore. I would sit down for probably 30, 40 minutes at a time and just consume massive amounts of food and calories just to maintain and slowly, incrementally move the scale upward. For me, when I decided to stop drinking cow's milk and give up dairy, it was because I had arrived at elite level of athleticism, but I didn't feel healthy. And I found that it was largely what I was putting in my body that was contributing to those factors. So when I gave up dairy and stopped drinking cow's milk, I saw my gut improved, I saw my energy levels improve, I was recovering better after workouts, and it was a hugely transformational shift for me. Athletes should definitely not drink cow's milk because there's no benefit or upside to doing so. You can't get anything from drinking cow's milk that you can't otherwise get from plants in a cleaner, more efficient fuel source. Switch for good, for me, means empowering and educating more athletes with the information they need to take control of their health and be on the right side of change. My name is Chris Manderino, and I made the switch for good.